So let us understand what are the symptoms which could be relating to the acidity. So first, there could be heartburn, regurgitation, there could be continuous sour taste in the mouth, difficulty in swallowing, sore throat, and indigestion. Now, when to consult the doctor? If you are having an acidity bout once a while, that's not suggestive or indicative of any health issue. But if a patient is having recurrent bouts of acidity along with the symptoms lasting for at least 2 to 3 days per week, then this may be suggestive of some underlying disease and you may need to consult the doctor. Now, what are the tips or how can we prevent the acidity? First is regarding taking the low carb diet. Second is about taking the meals at regular intervals, avoiding dry and spicy food, and chewing the food properly.